guys, Hype here, we got absolute beauty for you guys today. Let's get right into it. Today we are going to be unboxing my brand new gaming laptop. I got this so that I can game and edit videos and stream on the go, wherever I may be going, whether it's Howie's or Andy's. Who knows, I can pretty much do it wherever I want to do it that has Wi-Fi. But yeah, we're going to be unboxing this today, showing you guys what I got. My lord, that's a big box. There it is. There it is in all its glory. This thing's a beast. Holy shit. Alright, how do I open this? I had it upside down. I'm an idiot. I had it upside down. It opens like this. Wait a second. Wait a second. I'm not doing this right, am I? I'm gonna fuck something up.
A few moments later.
Oh, I see. The cords are separate from the actual laptop. I gotcha. Just telling you how to plug it in and power it on. Quick guide. This, oh my lord, this is the laptop itself. It's freaking massive. The camera won't even pick up the whole thing. Set that to the side real quick. Let's get all the cords out. Alright. Just gonna throw that on the ground for now. But here's the cords we got. Holy shit. This is insane. Insane adapter. This might be the biggest adapter I've ever seen. Look at how big this is. You could have put some USB plugins on this. Damn. Yeah, ooh, got a little protective sticker here. Peel that off. Ta-da! MSI. But that looks like that plugs in. That's a power adapter I've never seen before. I don't know if you guys have ever seen that before. And then we got this that plugs into this and plugs into the wall. And that's all we got for cords. No HDMI cord is kind of crazy, not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, I know it's a laptop, so you don't really, not really supposed to be using one, but I thought it would at least come with one with how much this thing costs. Put that to the side there. Now the part you've all been waiting for. The actual laptop itself. And it is currently upside down. Here we go. Here we go. Holy shit. Holy fuck, this thing's huge.
That's what she said.
This thing's massive.
What?
That's definitely RGB there. Let's see what else. I might have to stand up for this. Ethernet. There's the power plug-in. HDMI. Insane vents for fans. More vents for fans. 2 USB-C plugins, which also you can connect to docks, or at least one of them can. Normal USB-C Type A, jack, audio jack for headphones, 2 more USB Type A's, and an SD card reader, which is actually huge for my paranormal videos. I'm not sure what that is. I'm gonna have to look into that. But the bottom of it, holy, that's pretty crazy. I'm gonna have to figure out where the additional SSD slot is on the bottom of this thing. But there's 2 fans here. Possibly a third. I can't really tell. But yeah, that's insane. Holy shit. Let's see if this thing's got any juice. Open her up. Holy shit, this screen is massive. There's a giant cloth for the screen. I gotta turn this thing around for you guys. Look at this. Look at how big this thing is. It doesn't even fit on camera. The screen's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Not gonna lie. We got the AMD Ryzen 9 HX3D, GeForce RTX there. All the other specs here. Wi-Fi 7, HDMI, USB 4, 99.9 watt hours, I'm assuming that is. MSI Overboost Ultra, Cooler Boost, SSD thermal module. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, this thing's a beast. I'm not gonna take those stickers off. SteelSeries. There's a thumb scanner here to unlock it. These, you can change the entire background RGB. All the numbers, I'm pretty sure, are RGB. Or they should be. This is RGB. So is the power button. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have to plug this thing in, but I'll see you guys once I get it turned on and running. Here it is, baby. We got her set up. Got her set up finally. She's freaking huge. Like, here's my hand next to the screen. It's massive. You can't even fit the whole thing in the screen. Here's our little specs here. All that good stuff there. We got RGB down here. I've been trying to mess with the RGB a little bit, but I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm gonna have to figure this out. This isn't really making any differences whatsoever. Like, it doesn't make any difference, so I'm gonna have to mess with the lighting stuff. But yeah, also gonna have to download all my stuff on here. But so far, it's looking absolutely amazing. Works freaking great. It's got a sick, like, 3D kind of background. Yeah, gotta spend a lot of time setting this thing up though. But hopefully, within a week after you guys see this video, we'll have it all set up and good to go. But I'm just opening Xbox right now. After some fucking around, we were finally able to get the Xbox app working with all my games in it. So now I can finally go through and start downloading some of these. I got a lot of games on Xbox. Some of these I don't even know. Oh, it's because I have Game Pass, that's why. Game Pass Ultimate, that is why. But yeah, I'm gonna have to start downloading games, download all my launchers, gotta download CapCut. There's a lot of stuff I still gotta do for this thing before it's fully operational. This is the new biggest upgrade for the setup. Here, I'll show you guys its specs real quick. Hopefully you guys can see that decently well. Ryzen 9, HX3D, 32 gigabytes DDR5, 1 terabyte SSD, or 2 terabyte SSD, my bad. Wi-Fi 7 card. Those are the integrated graphics with the 3D chip. And that is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080. This thing is an absolute beast. And you can also put in another SSD, which I'm going to be doing in the future once prices drop. But they're insanely high right now. This thing's a beast. Here's a little update on what the setup looks like. That is a little absurd, not gonna lie. But we'll kind of clean it up a bit once I get everything set up this weekend. But so far, this is what it looks like. My 5 screens. This screen's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be, so I'm gonna have to figure something out with all my monitors. But here is the entire setup. Looking absolutely beautiful with all my consoles and stuff. A lot of money, but it's worth it. We're making this dream happen. I'm excited to finally start using this thing. It's gonna take a minute to set up, but hopefully within like a week or two, this thing will be fully functional. We'll have the dual stream set up, dual PC set up for streaming, recording. Yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and let me know what you think of the new laptop. That was me unboxing my new laptop, my biggest upgrade to my setup since I got my desktop. I'm going to be setting it up so I can do a dual PC stream setup, so that way streams are the best quality possible, as well as videos, and the games will run a lot better while streaming and recording. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any uploads or streams. We upload every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern and every Sunday at 6 p.m. Eastern. We stream every Sunday through Thursday, 8 to 10 p.m. Eastern. Go drop a follow on Twitter so you don't miss any updates on streams, uploads, and other fun things to get the community involved, like giveaways. And comment some other video ideas you may have. Can literally be anything. And I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.
Peace.